On August 27, 1883, the Earth made a sound it had never made before. When Krakatoa erupted, the explosion was so loud it ruptured eardrums over 60 kilometers away. People thought the world was ending. The shockwave traveled around the planet, not once, but multiple times. Barometers recorded it for days. Then came the waves. Tsunamis over 30 meters high slammed into coastlines. Entire villages vanished. More than 36,000 people died, many without ever seeing the volcano. Most disasters announced themselves with fire or smoke. This one announced itself with sound, a reminder that sometimes you can hear history before you see it.